Chilly temperatures actually coming in for the weekend. Thank you, Emily. A few weeks ago, Hurricane Matthew swept through Charleston, leaving lots of damage in many areas left behind. Today, we're talking with the importance of insurance coverage for your home. Mappus Insurance joining us with the talk about the hurricane coverage and how to make a claim. And the problem is that some people, even though they have insurance, they might not understand their deductible, and that's one of the things that you're explaining to a lot of people now.
Correct. You know, it's unfortunate that the insurance industry has to have higher deductibles for hurricane type of losses. So many homeowners policies, they'll have a percentage deductible for storm-related losses, and it's a percentage of the replacement cost of the house. A lot of people think it's a percentage of the loss, but what people are finding out, if they're insuring their house for, let's say, $500,000, and they have a 5% hurricane deductible, that's a $25,000 deductible.
Wow. Before
insurance kicks in. So people are finding that out. Of course, now they're trying to file a claim, and unfortunately, for many people, they're just not going to hit their deductible.
That 5% is not on the damage that was done, it's 5% on the total value of the house.
Correct.
And you have to be over that for your insurance to kick in.
Correct.
And so you're very busy explaining that to folks with people, maybe some people with damage to their homes that are coming to you, but then also some people coming to you going, hey, I'm not insured. I've been with this other insurance company. I want to insure with you guys now.
Certainly.
What do I do?
Certainly. So, and going on, sticking on the deductibles, 5%, that's, you know, I would say high for the marketplace.
Sure.
We can sometimes go down to 2%.
Sure.
So if people are out there and they have a very high deductible, they can call our office or go to our website and fill out a form, and we can sit down with them, review their policies, just so they understand what it is they have, most importantly. And then we can figure out if it even makes sense to take it out to the market and provide them with quotes.
Sure, and that's what you have with some of your clients that are coming in. They say, I've got this damage to my home, and it could be structural damage, it could be water damage, it could be a number of things, which basically breaks down where does it apply to their insurance policy. And so it's good that, I know that you do this, when you sit down with your clients to begin with, you say, let's understand what exactly this policy covers.
Correct.
Word for word. And that way the folks understand it, they feel more comfortable with it. And if they need to take up the deductible some, they can. If they need to lower it some, they can do as well, right?
Absolutely. I tell people this, I feel like every single day. Don't find out what type of coverage you have after a loss.
Yeah.
Find out beforehand so you can make a knowledgeable decision on other than price, because price is extremely important when it comes to everything that we do.
Sure.
And insurance and everything in life, but don't focus only on the price, because when you have a claim, that's when you're going to focus on the coverage, and unfortunately, you can't buy more coverage after a claim.
Right. And let's say somebody is wanting to take out insurance, and they're wanting to take out insurance in the next couple of days. There's a storm that's out there right now. It has not been named, so they can still take out insurance up until the time it's named?
So every carrier is a little bit different. It's called a moratorium, and we do a great job of using big words in the insurance industry to confuse people. But, you know, up with last storm, Hurricane Matthew, we actually still had the ability to issue a policy with some carriers on Friday, the day before the storm came. Some carriers, some say 48 hours out, okay, we're going to stop issuing new policies at this point until the storm passes. So it's a little bit different, but certainly right now, if somebody was looking to replace their insurance, we would have no issue doing it today.
How can a client prepare a little bit better for a claim?
So
I would say the word documentation would be probably one of the most important things.
So especially in today's world with technology, it's so easy to document. Just taking your smartphone, going around your house, taking photos of every room, documenting what's in those rooms, or even taking a video and just going through and saying, okay, we've got this couch, we bought it at this store and it cost about this much. There's a lot of inventory apps out there. Matter of fact, at Mappus, we're developing an app right now that will help people categorize all their inventory, and then if they're clients of our agency, they can actually send that document to us and we can keep it on file.
Fantastic. How can folks get a hold of you?
Certainly call our office, 843-763-4200. Go to our website, mappusinsurance.com. You can fill out a form. We'll call you when it's convenient for you. And also on our website, we've got a lot of great blogs that talk about hurricane deductibles and just various homeowners insurance topics, because it's extremely confusing. So we try to simple it down for people.
And the client needs to understand. That's very important. You just don't have a blanket insurance policy. They got to understand, and that's why you're there.
Every policy is different.
Absolutely. So
All right,
glad to
thank
hear
you.
Mappus Insurance, thank you so much. Stay with us. We're right back after the details with Dogtoberfest, of all things.